Hey, welcome to Performance Vacuum, Denver's premier vacuum store, and today I want to talk about Clippy and Louis Rossmann's Clippy movement against planned obsolescence and involving right to repair. This is something that's very near and dear to our hearts here at Performance Vacuum, as we see machines every day that are not designed to be repaired, or worse yet, the companies just don't make parts. That's why the machines that we sell and our focus here is on quality and companies that stand behind their product. Companies like Sibo, Miele, Lindhaus, These are companies that typically have parts 10, 20 years later for their machines. And that's something that we stand behind here at Performance Vacuum. If you're unaware of the Clippy movement, I'm going to encourage you to go to the link below and click on Louis Rossmann's video on that for more detail. Anyways, if you're looking for a new vacuum or a repair in the Denver metro area, please stop in. Our information's in the description below, and have yourself a wonderful day.